telling you just now, we can do our table, right? To find our number of sample space. Okay, if you look over here, box P contains 5 cards labeled with numbers 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. Okay, you see over there, it's given already. The first card is going to be at your first row. Okay, and you are going to have your box Q. Okay, contains 6 cards labeled with letters CANTIK. Okay, a card is chosen at random from each box. So if you look over here, you already this one going to be dependent or independent? Dependent. Independent. Dependent. This one independent lah. Why? Sebab if you look there, your first card is going to be number. Your second card going to be letter. Kan? Okay. So if you look over here, we are going to get our, how many? How many of our sample space? So, you have how many cards at our label with numbers? You have 5. For our box Q, you are going to get 6. So, 6 times 5, you're going to get 30. Is it correct? 6 times with 5, you're going to get 30. The probability to getting our first event, A, which is our first card there for number, you are going to get your 5 cards, times with the probability for B there for our letter Q, box Q, you're going to get 6 cards, so 6, 5 times with 6, you're going to get 30. Okay, so if you look over here, it says to us to complete the following table. So straight away lah, like what we done previously. Okay, so you're going to get what? 2A, 2N, 2T, 2I, 2K. This one, 3C, 3N, 3T, 3I, 3K. Fill up everything there. 6C, 6A, 6N, 6T, 6I, and 6K. Then 8C, 8A, 8N, 8T, 8I, 8K. Last but not least, you're going to get 11C, 11A, 11N, 11T, 11I, and 11K. So the number of our sample space over here, you are going to get 30. How is it? 5 times with 6. Or you can count everything there lah. If you say what? Like our number 1 just now, you say what? Write the sample space kan? So you have to write everything there 30 times. If it's asking you to write, but this one asking you to have our number of sample space. Can class? Okay, now verify the conjecture about the formula of probability to get an odd number. Now look from your table there. We are going to find here, this one, girls, odd number and a vowel. You must have 2 over here. Odd number and a vowel. Okay, if you look there. Odd number. What is odd number? 3. Ya ganjil kak engkau. Jadi ChatGPT terjemah je Okay. Odd is going to be 3 and 11. Which one going to be vowel? A and I. So it must be two conditions here satisfied. 3A, isn't it? 3I, 11A, 11I. So you just write back over here the possible outcomes. Write down here. You are going to get what? 3A, 3I, 11C, and 11. This is the possible outcomes. So, if I want to find the probability, an odd number and a vowel, how many you're going to get there? Kenapa aku letak 11C pula? 11A, ya Allah. Saja nak test you. Betul. 11A. Okay, 11A and 11I. Okay. Find the probability of an odd number and a vowel. How many you got there? 4 out of 30. Remember your how to find probability just now? I asked you to do the to find the simple probability. To get an event A, the probability of event A, you are going to get what? The number of that event divided by our number of the sample space. Sample space, you got 30, right? How many number of our event here? 4. So you are going to write 4 out of 30. Can we simplify? Yes. What do you get? 2 out of 50. That's going to be our probability for getting our an odd number and a vowel. Can class? Okay, now if you look over here, this one we are going to use our multiplication rule. Okay, how many you are going to get the probability for getting our odd number only? How many odd number only in our first card there? Alamak, dah habis masa. How many? How many? Only 2 out of for our first number, first card. You are going to get this one, everything here. You are going to get only 2 cards from all the cards here is 5. So you're going to get 2 out of 5 over here. Okay. Vowel. How many vowel you got there? 2. 2 out of? Yes. The total there is you're going to get 2 out of 6. Okay. So if I want to find the probability for getting our odd number and a vowel, what you're going to do? You are going to times 2 out of 5 times with 2 out of 6. So if you look over here, 2 times 2, 4. 5 times 6, 30. Can simplify? Yes. Can you see that? You are going to get the same. You can leave it, you have it different, then you times. Because you see over here, n is using n. N is darab, multiply. Dah jawab ke kak? Okay, that's all for today.